What's up mga guro at mga mag-aaral? Kumuli ang inyong online teacher, Sir Franco, para sa panibagong aralin sa life and career skills. Our topic for this video is about applying life skills to different domains, and our focus is self-awareness. Self-awareness is an important life skill that helps individuals understand themselves better. It plays a key role in making decisions and improving personal growth. Ang self-awareness ay isang mahalagang kasanayan na tumutulong sa atin na mas makilala ang ating sarili. Malaki ang papel nito sa paggawa ng desisyon at pag-unlad ng sarili. Kaya naman, mahalaga na pag-aralan din natin ito bilang bahagi ng life and career skills na subject. Narito ang mga lesson objectives na maaaring gamitin ng mga teacher sa paggawa ng kanilang learning plan. In this lesson, you will learn what self-awareness is and why it is important. You will also reflect on your emotions and identify ways to improve yourself. Sa araling ito, matututuhan ninyo kung ano ang self-awareness at bakit ito mahalaga. Magre-reflect din kayo sa inyong emotions at mag-iisip ng paraan para mapabuti ang sarili. Now, before we proceed with our discussion, let us perform first a pre-activity. Who am I? Brainstorm web. Here, the students will create a mind map starting with me in the center, branching out to words or images representing their qualities, interests, and values. Then, answer the following processing questions. 1. Have you ever had a moment when you realized something new about yourself? What was it like? 2. How do you think understanding yourself better can help you in school, relationships, or making decisions? 3. When have you felt unsure about your thoughts or feelings? What helped you understand them? And 4. What do you hope to gain from today's lesson? Let us now proceed with our discussion. Let's begin with concept of self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It helps you or recognize your strengths and areas that need improvement. Ang self-awareness ay ang kakayahang maintindihan ng iyong iniisip, nararamdaman at ginagawa. Tinutulungan ka nitong makilala ang iyong lakas at kahinaan. There are two types of self-awareness, the private and public self-awareness. Self-awareness can be described using the main two types, private and public self-awareness. Both help individuals better understand themselves and their behavior. Pareho itong tumutulong upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating sarili at kilos. What is private self-awareness? Private self-awareness refers to understanding your inner thoughts and emotions. It allows you to reflect on your feelings and reactions. Ang private self-awareness ay tumutukoy sa pag-unawa sa iyong mga iniisip at nararamdaman. Nakakatulong ito upang masuri ang iyong emosyon at reaksyon. And then we have public self-awareness. It is being aware of how others perceive you. It helps you adjust your behavior based on social expectations. Ang public self-awareness ay pagiging aware kung paano ka nakikita ng ibang tao. Nakakatulong ito upang mas maging maayos ang iyong kilos ayon sa sitwasyon. Being self-aware helps you recognize your emotions before reacting. This allows you to think carefully before making decisions. Dahil dito, mas nakakapag-isip ka ng mas maayos bago ka gumawa ng hakbang o mga desisyon. Self-awareness in decision-making, nabanggit na kanina. Self-awareness helps you think before acting and consider possible outcomes. It also helps you make decisions based on your values. Tinutulungan ka ng self-awareness na mag-isip bago kumilos at isaalang-alang ang magiging resulta nito. Nakakatulong din ito upang pumili ka ayon sa iyong mga values sa buhay. Self-awareness as part of self-concept. Self-awareness is part of our self-concept. It shapes how we see ourselves, how we feel about ourselves, and how we act. When we understand who we are, we become more confident and accepting of ourselves. Kapag kilala mo na ang iyong sarili, mas natatanggap mo ang iyong strengths at weaknesses. Now, what are the relationship of self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-regulation? Self-awareness leads to self-acceptance. When you accept yourself, you can regulate your emotions and behavior better. These three skills work together to help you grow. Magkakaugnay ang tatlong kasanayan na ito sa personal growth. Self-care supports self-awareness. Taking care of yourself helps you become more aware of your needs and emotions. Self-care strengthens emotional balance and self-understanding. There are four types of self-care: physical, emotional, mental, and social. Emotions and mindfulness. Emotional triggers are situations that cause strong reactions. Self-aware individuals recognize their triggers so they can pause, think, and respond responsibly. Mahalagang kilalanin ang emotional triggers para makontrol ang reaksyon. Labeling your emotions. Labeling emotions like anger, sadness, or frustration helps us understand what we feel. When we name emotions, we gain control over them instead of being controlled by them. Mindfulness skill, observe. Observing means paying attention to what you feel and think without judging it. You simply notice what is happening inside you. Another mindfulness skill, describe. Describing allows us to name what we feel and what is happening. This avoids overthinking and emotional confusion. Mindfulness skill, participate. Participating means being fully involved in what you are doing. Instead of worrying or overthinking, you give your full attention to the moment. Self-awareness in different domains of life. There are different domains where we can apply self-awareness. Self-awareness is not only useful in one area of life. It applies to many domains such as personal life, relationships, school, career, and even our online behavior. Understanding yourself helps you adapt and grow in each domain. Hindi lang sa isang aspeto ginagamit ang self-awareness. Mahalaga ito sa personal na buhay, pakikipagrelasyon o pakikipagkapwa-tao, pag-aaral, trabaho, at sa digital na mundo. In personal and social life, self-awareness helps you manage emotions and build strong relationships. It also allows you to understand others better. Sa personal at social na aspeto, nakakatulong ang self-awareness sa pagkontrol ng emosyon at pakikipagkapwa o relasyon. Tinutulungan ka rin itong maunawaan ng iba o magkaroon ng empathy. For example, when you know that you easily get irritated, self-awareness helps you pause instead of reacting immediately. This makes your relationships healthier and more respectful. Halimbawa, kung alam mo mabilis kang mainis, makakatulong ang self-awareness upang makapagpigil at maiwasan ang alitan. In academics, self-awareness helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses. This allows you to improve your study habits and set better goals. Sa akademikong aspeto, tinutulungan kang makilala mo ang iyong kakayahan o kahinaan. Halimbawa, kakayahan sa mga subject areas or sa mga aspeto ng isang subject. Dahil dito, napapabuti mo ang iyong pag-aaral at nagkakaroon ka ng mas magandang study goals. A self-aware learner knows when to ask for help and how to manage stress. Instead of giving up, they see mistakes as chances to improve their academics. Ang self-aware na mag-aaral ay marunong humingi ng tulong at kontrolin ang stress na nararanasan sa kanilang academic life. Hindi siya natatakot na magkamali dahil alam niyang bahagi ito ng kanyang pagkatuto. Self-awareness helps you choose a career that matches your skills and interests. It guides you in setting realistic career goals. Tinutulungan ka ng self-awareness na pumili ng career na akma sa iyong kakayahan. Nagiging gabay rin ito sa pagtatakda ng tamang goals. Self-awareness helps you avoid choosing a career just because of pressure from others. It allows you to choose a path that truly fits your skills and interests. Pinipigilan ng self-awareness ang maling career choices dahil lang sa pressure ng iba. Then we have in digital world, self-awareness helps you behave responsibly online. It also helps you manage your emotions when using social media. Sa digital na mundo, tinutulungan ka nitong maging responsable online. Nakakatulong ito upang hindi ka click o post o nakokontrol ang emosyon sa social media. In the digital world, self-awareness helps you think before posting or commenting. It protects your mental health and online reputation. Sa online world, mahalaga ang pagiging maingat sa sinasabi at ginagawa o inilalagay sa iyong mga social media accounts. Now, what is the importance of and how to improve self-awareness? Self-awareness is important because it helps you make better decisions and manage your emotions. It also improves your relationships with others. Mahalaga ang self-awareness dahil tinutulungan ka nitong gumawa ng tamang desisyon at kontrolin ang iyong emosyon. Nakakatulong din ito upang mas mapabuti o makatulong sa iyong pakikipag-ugnayan sa iba. Self-awareness can be improved through reflection, feedback, and mindfulness. These practices helps you better understand yourself. Mapapabuti ang self-awareness sa pamamagitan ng reflection, feedback, at mindfulness. Nakakatulong ang mga ito upang mas makilala mo ang iyong sarili. Setting goals helps you improve yourself and grow as a person. It allows you to focus on your strengths and improve your weaknesses. Ang pagtatakda ng goals ay tumutulong sa pag-unlad ng iyong sarili. Nakakatulong ito pang mapalakas ang mga strengths na alam mo ng sarili mo at ma-improve o mapabuti o ma-overcome ang mga weaknesses. Now that's it for our discussion, and to summarize our learning, here are what you learned in this discussion video. Through this video and through this lesson, I hope that you already understand yourself better or will try to figure out on how to understand yourself better. I hope that you can now also manage your emotions more responsibly and make decisions aligned with your values. This lesson teaches us that knowing ourselves leads to better choices. Self-awareness helps us grow not just academically, but as individuals. Now let's proceed to the activities and assessment. Activity 1, Know Yourself Chart. Complete the table by filling out your answer for each area. How did private and public self-awareness help you answer this activity? Activity 2, we have here a scenario and analyze it and then answer the following guide questions. Carlos received a hurtful comment online. He feels angry and wants to respond immediately. So what emotion should Carlos recognize first? How can self-awareness help him decide? And what would be a healthy response? Activity 3, Identifying Domain. Identify the domain aligned to each situation. Managing stress before exams. Academic. Thinking before posting online. Digital. Understanding personal emotions. Personal and choosing a career path. Career. Now let's answer the following assessment questions. Number 1, Anna feels nervous before speaking in class but still tries to participate. Which type of self-awareness is shown? Okay. B, private. 2, Mark adjusts his behavior because he knows others are watching him. This is an example of B, public self-awareness. 3, which action best shows self-awareness in decision making? C. Considering consequences. 4. A student knows that studying late makes them stressed, so they plan earlier. This shows self-awareness in which domain? C. Academic. 5. Which situation shows digital self-awareness? B. Thinking before commenting. 6. Why is self-awareness important in relationships? C. To manage emotions. 7. Which is the best example of private self-awareness? B. Recognizing your emotions. 8. A learner asks for feedback to improve. Which life skill is strengthened? B. Self-awareness. 9. Which choice shows self-awareness aligned with values? C. Choosing based on beliefs. 10. Which statement best summarizes self-awareness? B. Understanding self to improve decisions. Now, for your performance task, create a simple plan that reflects your strengths, emotions, and goals. This will guide you toward personal growth aside from just for compliance in this subject. So, gumawa ng simpleng plano tungkol sa iyong lakas, emosyon, at goals. Ito ang maging silbing gabay mo sa iyong pag-unlad. Now, answer this reflection question. How does self-awareness help you in your daily life? Think about how self-awareness affects your decisions and actions. Reflect on how you can improve yourself every day. And that's it for our discussion about applying life skills to self-awareness. Thanks to the development team of the lesson exemplar kung saan ibinase ang mga konseptong dapat i-discuss sa discussion video na ito at ang outline ng pagkakasunod ng mga ideas na related sa topic na ito. Once again, I am Sir Rolly Franco and leaving you with a note. Self-awareness is the foundation of life skills. Know yourself, understand your emotions, choose to grow. Self-awareness is the foundation of all your life skills. When you know yourself, you make better choices, build healthier relationships, and grow into a responsible individual. Ang pagkilala sa sarili ang susi sa pag-unlad at tagumpay sa buhay. Thank you for watching.